So today we were reviewing the Logitech K380 multi-device. This is the laptop here. I've already opened it from beforehand, and so it's not really an unboxing. This is the UK English edition. There should be other editions for like France and the USA if they have a different style. So this is the keyboard itself. When you actually get it, will be packed and everything inside the plastic sheets, as you can see below. Let me just take that out. Behind you, you will see a battery slot where you put in batteries. This is not rechargeable, but you can use rechargeable batteries. These are the batteries I believe they give. So yeah, and apparently it lasts 6 months. So I hope they deliver on that promise, and it has lasted for quite a while anyway already. The style of the keyboard is really nice. I really like the typing experience. I loved it ever since I've got it. It's pretty much the same size as a keyboard on your laptop. So this is a 15.6-inch laptop. So it'd be this side of the laptop only, and it's quite a really nice to experience for typing, because it's quite similar to my laptop layout. It's easier for me to get used to than other keyboards I've used. So that's all for the review section. I'm going to now show you guys how to set up this keyboard. Okay, and onto my tablet over here. So let's get to it. First of all, to set it up, we want to turn on the keyboard. You'll find it on the side here. Just flick that on, and then you'll have this. So this one's going to be flashing, but we have to do something. So we have to firstly, on the tablet, I'll show you what happens on the tablet. Okay. On the tablet, we want to go to settings, and then we want to go to Bluetooth. Oh, not more, sorry. Bluetooth. Then turn this on, and then we want to hold this button, and it will flash a lot. And there we have this icon. It will pair up, and there it says put the code 518278. 518278, and I press enter. Yep, done. It's paired, it says connected. I'm going to show you guys it works. Let's go to Word. You can do it in Google Docs, whatever. I'm just going to show you on Word. Blank, cancel. So let's say H, just say hello. See, I can't really type one-handed, but my name is something like that. But yeah, it generally works really well, and there isn't much lag between the keyboard to the tablet, and it's great for like if you wanted to make any edits on the go. And also a good feature with this is that you can do it with 2-3 other devices. So 2 other devices, including this, so there'll be 3 devices you can connect to. So let's say the phone I'm using right now to record this, I could connect it to that. I could connect it to my laptop if that had Bluetooth. If it doesn't have Bluetooth, you could just get a small Bluetooth adapter for £1 from eBay or something. In terms, that's it. That's how to set it up as well. So that's all from me today. A random help over and out, and I'll see you next time.